What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and people. I'm gonna run through the intro today again. You see me I say, so here we go. We have the Lion Man, we have Rning, we have Cam Cods, you know what I mean? We have Rosealee, we have Shibada, we have King Donia, we have a bunch of things to share my people. So here we go. We are going to get to unite. We're not going to talk about the intro right now because we are dealing with that one quick and fast. We're not going to talk too much, so make we get to unite, my people.
Self, love me. Me not have more for say to you now. Me not have nothing more for say to no. Because me text from a private, I don't know here. So you see if you no continue fuck with coming, me have a choice. I can turn my kids them to my blood clot family them, you know. And me will make them fine, you know. And when they fine, you know, me not give government no hard time. Watch me. I done, me done. Me not have nothing more for say. Me swear upon fear life and me swear upon Lexi life. Oh no, leave me alone. Me tired. Me tired. You understand? And me been a avoid, you know. Me been a avoid, you know. And me done. Me been a avoid, you know. And you know can't say me. My phone I proof, you know. My phone the proof, you know. And everything wanna send me send it to me other Jamaica number because me no want nobody say me a blood clotted lie. And me been a avoid uno. And if me come back on blood clot talk about this again after tonight, uno go and see. Cause me not run no screen recording with nobody. Me not depend that with nobody. Me fasting start 6 o'clock a morning time. I don't 3 o'clock a evening time. I depend my fasting. And me not make make me depend screen recording and run. Yeah? I will excuse my fasting and tell God say I am sorry. Because if me dey in a jail house, God will see why me do what me do. Uno leave me alone. Me come from church, uno reach in my inbox, uno text me, uno say this, uno say that. Me, just leave me alone, yeah? Just leave me alone, man. Uno just leave me alone, brother. Leave me alone. I mean, not ask nobody if you tell uno against if you left me alone. More than me just do me a blood clot though. Yeah? And watch if me not serious. Watch if me not serious. Me have friend and links all blood clot about in a Jamaica. And watch if me not serious. Me not tell you no against if you left me alone. Me not tell you no against if you left me alone, man. Stop call me name. Stop call me pitney name. Stop call me name. Stop call me pitney name. Remember this not all of we bad. All of we have bad friend. And all of we work blood clot. Obia. Cause no say me a Obia worker. But you know what you know why uno? It was uno keep on and say me a Obia worker. Because uno got no Obia man. And no Obia man tell uno say she this and she that and she this and she that. But me tell you something. You can't know Obia worker unless you work Obia too. And that me want to know. You cannot know Obia worker unless you are work Obia too. And not try. Me then ya pray and no come up in my spirit all the while. But all me do a pray no cause uno can't stop me and uno can't stop she. And a she a mad blood clot uno. Me can't tell you this. Uno hungry right now, you know. Hungry I gonna lick on the left, right and blood clot center. Member. Oh. Every blood clot turn on the internet. This low life. Eh? This low life. I call me name. Okay. Me drive and you take taxi. I mean I have nothing more to say. And when me go clinic I drive, me drive. Remember, I drive when me anytime me carry she a clinic I drive. And it takes nothing at all. And me I tell you upon this blood clot you load I will fuck you up. And then I take a me never make the government send come for me if stop nothing in foreign for me now. I would take a blood clot plane and just come to Jamaica and say alright I me do that. Lock me up. Keep on fuck with me. I show you my blood clot serious because I can't tell you this. Me tired of you and tired of your girl. Me tired of uno. Leave me alone, brother. Leave me alone. I'm tired of it now, man. Nobody don't know what me a blood clot go through. No see me on TikTok every day, you know. Nobody every day. Me every message can show people every fucking day, every week. There's 2 people in my fucking phone, brother. And me can split all the voice note them, all of them say, you know, let me, I think me send some of them on this blood clot, yeah. All of them. When they end up in my phone, brother, about me. The two of them in my phone about a blood clot me, brother. Cause me make sure me every time they come, me make sure me send them over in that phone. Cause people, me don't want nobody say me I tell no lie on them, you know. And me complain to people. Me say tell this brother to leave me alone. Tell this girl to leave me alone. Me not trouble them. Me not trouble them. Me not trouble them. And since then me sit down right here so. And me text him. And me say you no leave me alone. Me I beg you left me alone. And you me I beg you please you left me alone, man. Stop call prayer name. What make every time you no click on no live, you no have to call my name or my daughter name, brother? Why? Why?
Because that is all they do. I see that STR0NG and he said, alright, I am going for this man.
I think me I make no. Me say God, me say is alright. Me make sure me come on this blood clot here, you know. Cause if you no feast, me free to come on the world contact, say. It come like you never know who not deal with it, no. You never know who not blood clot deal with it, no. You never know who not play with. You hear me? I want to know. Me just want to have an idea who not blood clot play with it, no. Cause I don't drink my porridge hot. And I'm a very revengeful motherfucker. Very revengeful. Yeah? Me just want you know who you are rampant, man. Me just want you girl know who you are rampant. Because you never know who, my man. You never know the half of who you are rampant, yeah? You don't even know the half of who you are play with. You notice me not a friend? You notice entire see me and me alone, you see? I don't have one dege friend. I just me alone. Me alone. Anytime you see me and me alone, you see, man. Me no keep friend, brother. And me tell myself, say me now go do this on social media.
People, as me say, me I run through that one here quick and fast. So tell me what you think in the comment section. We are going to watch some more.
Me I try my best to avoid this blood clot social media business, I know.
Some people say they not stop.
Me try my best to avoid this social media thing, I know. Me try my very best to try to avoid social media as much as me can with this whole heap of this and that and stay, because I know me stay, you know.
Some people are not stop. They're not stop. Not at all. Because they're not stop.
I just need to change your dress on this. Okay, I'm going to see 2 quarts of ivany, please. Oh, let me have a look.
One thing me can tell you, man. And say who can you will feel. Me not have nothing more to say. So me promise myself so me never talk about him parents. Me not even try to disrespect him parents. And me and the individual in a big hot water pan WhatsApp, you know. And me never tell him say go suck him mama. Because me promise myself so me nah this that woman the ever again, you know. And so me stay, you know. You get me? So me promise a thing, me promise a thing. But she have no problem. She have no problem. I'm not gonna have a problem forever. So remember that blood clot there. Oh. Me say
GX. Me miss the yard. I find it, Virgo. Me nah give with my $100 for dollar. They don't do quick though. I just called them a while ago. Barbara not fat from me. I bet them the dirty money I get down at the place straight. Trading. I'm gonna do them money.
Silver, you can spend.
Blood clot.
Because souvenir.
I put them on. I'm gonna take the money of Virgo.
You can carry them because souvenir.
Take the money for me.
You know what pesos? Me have Jamaican pesos. When they go back at Jamaica, we have pesos. More than that?
Suck pussy blood clot, girl. We might this is what they call trauma. Eh? I miss Jamaica, I miss my friend and my family. What do you mean by? I'm big a stinking hole. Look at somebody in a blood clot trauma. That take a fuck you know. Such what? Mexican them boy them not look the Mexican them boy not look bad out here.
The one at the store a while ago.
Mr. the breast them big.
Girl, that joke.
Coca is $1.
I'm here work. What I do when I call it name.
The back of your two idle. The boy them fabulous. Fabulous. You see one while I go up at the food court. You say, hey. Fabulous say, hey. See? Fabulous. I take one Mexican man. I take one Mexican man. Not gonna lie. That bandit really grabbed me ear. If I was a Mexican, I'd take a Mexican man. We're gonna come put on the blood clot pata egg.
It is 2 o'clock.
Me have a snack, me have egg can yam, me have tambourine can yam, me have water can drink. I just so me have sleep tonight, so me don't know what take a bed. Right, what else me have sleep, but it's a look cool and nice. I'm gonna put the AC back at 26. The boy want back if the man want him $5,000 where you owe.
Yeah. Man, they want to play cash and kill you.
Kill me. Try any clothes on me wear me. I don't want to wash it off and I don't want to leave it for this might be lamp put on. Nearly Friday.
Start to the top for that, yeah?
Anybody stop for that? I leave Friday for 2 man, but I take it, I leave Friday. We don't talk to them, I leaving Friday. So I have tomorrow for enjoy myself. Basically, me Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I see work in 4 days. Monday morning at school. You look at my Achilles. Monday morning at school.
Oh Lord.
Monday morning in school. Me can't make a young car baby, I go so if I make you and I baby, I might hold me go wash out. Watch the occasion. Monday morning at school. Question me, I wash out my whole. What the tights there? We're going to see the tights.
It's on the chair.
Tight come down. The boil the egg friend.
I don't want it.
Oh, let me start talented. We're going to look. Are you Mr. Talented?
Rosealee, nobody would. What do you mean by?
What do you mean by?
So you know we had. The last time you had me, it did a sip idea or something. If you remember.
Me and your dad was super there?
No, you did add me after. I mean, you did junk.
We can't add it after me do sip idea. Me have my man over here, you know.
No.
I look at him say, we did it. And we yard with the fame embarrass.
No, what you know, after you do the SIP party, you did add me one at the time, now, but me that go post it, is it?
But me have a man, me have my boyfriend over here.
You didn't know?
Eh?
You didn't know?
I'm always here.
So you can't have no friend?
No?
So I say you're a man jealous?
Yeah.
No man, that's too much, that's overprotective. Saying I have ladies out night, like...
No.
Sure? That's a whole heap of bandage though. Is me not even friend?
Not even friend me now.
Well, this a man in presumption, see. He see Rosealee have 2 man already a juggle. And him want be the 3rd one. How the blood people, they make me know what to think. We don't chat enough. Make me know what to think. We watch some more.
So how was the day though? So I can't ask you nothing at all?
You want to ask me so?
You mean how was the day?
Me so come. Yeah, look like you. They like them. Me don't want no screener can't catch me. You ask me how was my day? Me like, you're not gonna like that. I can't catch off all my blood clot them. I'm gonna lose my man twice again and then just make it up. From my mascot? Your mascot? No screener card they ask me how was my blood clot there. But just lose my man. I come here top class. I 2 days no my man no come on the net because I'm causing him upset. I'm just get my man since night. Me just kept my man since and I forgot to do me just kept my man since night. And if I go really come again and lose my man again tonight. Me a mascot.
We'll come back.
If I go lose my baby, if I go lose my baby father last night, I lose my baby father tonight again. Eh? Remember when I come out to screen the call and I mean him go watch it. No one no screen the call around and ask me, oh was me there? Oh you can't offer me keep me do my man, me not supposed to have no friend. Me now me tomorrow morning when the boy come in my question if me loyal. I want him to know say me have him back. Me not do no flirting, me not do no ratate, and me I stop come cuss. I'm not losing my man. Me nah lose me baby father. Nah lose my man. A 2 man I have, and one of them want to pick me car. Me now come here come cuss my man, them stop cuss. Me now come here come cuss. Me now come here come fight, and me now come here come fuss. My man tell me not to argue, and me now lose my man. So me don't even come time ask me how was my day. And me tell her was my day, can't help me. All of the world, I want to see my blood clot delusion all fine. I don't care. But I not lose my man. I not lose my man. Can't afford for it. Oi! Lock the door.
The blood clot is we can't talk in a foreign. I'm being tamarind.
You want to enjoy yourself? I can't afford to lose my man last night and come lose my man tonight again. Wash up my wall. I put on a tight step. That means me and him in a foreign. You know, him don't like when I argue. Right? And when I call him a while ago, him say him eat some food to go and pray. I'm going to pray for me. I leave him, make him stay. I don't argue with nobody. I not argue with nobody. My man say him no, I'm argue, I'm not arguing. I can't afford to lose my man last night. Just tell me him don't like the excitement and the bag of him not like him to be me not like it. I'm always tell you hours I do it. So me I try adjust my situation. Me not night tonight. Me I cuss back over here. I know worth it. A whole lot of people may say I take some phone and I make my nose say. Are your time to shine now, baby girl? Stop answering the careless waste people them. I told you know my man no come like take the argument. I hold on today. I'm out on time, I'm not argue.
Well, my people, Akeem have to know say money have to make. You see me I say because people at the end of the day, Rosealee cost to make money. You see me I say, so you have to understand say yo, the more the cussing go on and the more people forward on the life and the more give fling. So you have to understand that part the other thing. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think in the comments for people, make watch some more.
Because I tell Akim to do anything for me. I know what will happen. If it don't happen today, it will happen tomorrow. When me I come here, him wake up in the morning and go bank for me. And the things them. I'm here, Akim, come here. Akim, come here. My black card. Help me this and help me with that. Him not tell me no. And if you have somebody a deal, and if you have somebody a deal and you have somebody in a things, you have a compete to comply. I'm on top of you anyway, coming to sense it me. Sure. And the guy let me still look at you in a track. I'm surprised. You know what I'm gonna look at? I'm gonna get him something. I'm gonna get him something nice. What? Liberate, RT. I'm gonna get him. I get him something nice from the store.
Remember good na man. Remember nobody never play with Rosealee, you know. Akim when I talk about say Rosealee save Akim come save Rosealee. Cause after Rosealee did what she did with Jabaz, that was it for her. Everybody was side-eyeing her. And Jabaz alone used to play with Rosealee in her last half before she do what she do to Jabaz. When I forgot to give Jabaz a whole heap of
She and Candy stop playing with her.
and she and Candy, and she got to and Candy stop talk, play with her, and she got to talk about oh, Candy unalive youth. And Rosealee know all of these things already, you know. All of these things.
Yes.
I know tell me say on want cancel everybody but Rosealee. Everybody but Rosealee. Do y'all make sense on this app? No, Rosealee is pure evil. Rosealee was a Candy unalive, a young boy. She have all the proof and evidence. Per her, these are the things she say. But she only say when she and Candy in an argument. What kind of person are you? You knew that Jabaz did whatever to whoever, allegedly, and it only come out when Jabaz start make money.
What upstairs, man?
Yeah. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. It don't make sense to me. I don't act like the sister Rosealee is a problem on and off this app. Right now, if me call my sister or my man, I say, come send me be a lion. Come send me be a lion. I can't guarantee two persons gonna come at me, Rosealee and somebody else. Just because. It's like when I don't like to see when the people ever get, like, remember, them not thief, it gives them for nobody, you know. When me give, me make up my mind, say me I gonna give. That's why me not give lions, tigers, and universes. I break them up in syllables. Yes, because of them, it's foolish to the like when they absolutely, me talk like an idiot. So the like when they absolutely, me talk like an idiot. We break up, me give them in syllables. I issue them out and them out. I me soon come back to Rose. Me soon come back to Rose because while me score FYP page, me broke up on cheese page and me say the cheese still have what me put. I know why you take it down. Whatever money you make, I hope you take care of the twins. You say having twins. Me care by the elbow with puppy now. Pup too big. Me like babies. Whatever money you make off of my picture, make sure you get the baby some Pampers. And I love red and pink, you know. Oh my God. But, jeez. You're ugly bad. So I know the girl's gonna be beautiful. Well, I don't know if it's two girls. Because we only had a gender reveal for one baby. And the next day you woke up and say, oh, I just opened my chart and see I'm having two. You sound like an idiot. As a woman that have children, when you go to your ultrasound appointment, they're going to hear more than one heartbeat. She's the people that will follow you are idiots. I want to just like to scam people. Can you say you're not begging and you want to come beg, say you come with one bunch of monkey story?
People, I don't really know that person still, but my whole even say about Rosealee and also cheese. You know what I mean? So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section as I say I don't chat too much. I run through that one quick and fast, so I can watch some more and hear what this person has say.
So people can't sorry for you. Cheese, me sorry for you. Me, I gotta buy your kids some things. Me did already say that and then cost me, but me I say it publicly so they can't hear. Say me, I gotta spend one good $500 for your baby. That don't nothing to me. I'm not no rich bitch, but I got it. I can take care of your kids. So while you have me up over there and I call me ugly, I might be ugly to your eyes, but I'm the most beautiful things to the eyes of the people that love me. That's why that's the beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Because look man, you are calling me ugly cheese. She's look at you calling me ugly. But I might be ugly on the outside to you, but I say from the inside shining out, I'm the most beautiful person. That's why I could say I'm going to buy your kids some stuff. So when you put up a registry, just know that Big B got you. I'm not arguing with your goodie. No, well, you're not a goodie. Because you need help to take care of your children. Me, I'm a goodie. Because I don't need nobody to help me take care of my children. My boy take him time off, him not ready for God college, I got army, and him day here, and him alright. Him not need nobody for organize or for buy no shoes. Me not for call Cassandra, me not for call Alicia, me not for call nobody. I said, oh, I call my baby father, and him only said, matter of fact, not even me call my baby father, me make the child call the baby father, and him only said 500. Girl, don't argue with me. But don't take down my picture, make it stay up there. I don't want you to take it down, but don't argue with me. You cannot argue with me. We're not in the same class. We're not. I take care of my children. And I don't have to come on the media to come cry and embarrass myself. Because when you talk about your baby father, I don't hear me embarrassed. When I say him eat a pussy, I don't hear me embarrassed. Girl, pussy for eat. Cocky for suck. We're adults. We're going to do what we do in our bedroom. Nothing wrong with that. What's wrong is you acting like you don't do none of that. And everybody do that to you, but you're the woman that say you be at one time a week. And that's on a Sunday. So, oh, nobody want to eat you. But that's not the problem. And that me come about eating for guan. Me come about to pay them what you cannot take care of. And I come argue with good me. Good me. Me could have sent back your son at school and you never have to come here and embarrass him. Because I know you and your baby father are embarrassed. Your son, your valedictorian son, you're embarrassed. The same probably go to school and can't focus because you have him up. And every minute you call him all in at the bottom of argument. You know, big people. Excuse me, he's a boy. He's a boy. He is a boy picnic. My boy picnic. My boy picnic.
2020 was 61. I don't know, it's not early. Marching there. Ron, let me bring them and ask our comment on not too long.
Well, not too long is a seat.
You want something you call pop. I nothing wrong with you, can. Get up a big blood clot and go get it. I make it look a while live comfortable, but no. You make him life I gonna be a living hell, not nobody else and not him father. You, cause you come embarrass him because this not gonna way. Cause me not gonna say no. Anytime I feel like I come say something, I am going to because I have my picture on your page. And I'm going to always come and I'm going to always say, you have my picture up. Say, you have my picture up. But my child been in school for 2 weeks now. And for the 2 weeks that he's been in school, as you can tell, because my frequency on the internet slowed down. Because I am focused on taking care of my child. I have children, but one is an adult. And him well taken care of as a big man. Him not for call nobody for nothing as a 19-year-old. But your 14-year-old, you have him on internet to embarrass him. Him need shoes, him need clothes, him need food, him need this, him need that. And your focus is having up other people's pictures and cussing out people. Girl, every day you cuss down and you put a Bertha picture. Bertha a big man. Big man. When you want dance for the go, sit down and do it time for Bertha. Whatever the situation may be. Make it make sense. You know, make sense of that. Me I talk about you know, make sense. And all that time you know, say you know, as the thing is then for your picnic go back to blood clot school. I even know, even when they say if you find out you have a girl and not in an argument, they still focus on that. Me personally think say you want fuck down. And that me think. As I look at sit down teeth, you take my picture, you zoom up because you want to find it. Any fault where you find off me, you have to keep it. And you want it. Any fault where you find after me, you have to keep it. That's your fault, your flaw. You keep that. That don't do nothing to me. But in the end, like I said, my children are well taken care of. Well taken care of. My birthday coming up and my boy sing $400 jeans pants and him have to get it. And see they are complete set to a $500 could I buy this and buy that and I want jeans pants for boy I get for $400. What you talk about? When it come boy yo, because you're nasty and you're disgusting and you were something to talk about at the time. So I spoke about you. Yeah, but I never put up your picture. I don't have a whole picture of you up, a whole video. Okay, I saw you are dealing with your thing and this is how I'm dealing with my thing. Your children need taken care of. You're not taking care of them. They need things financially. They need things emotionally. You don't even know how to love on your child unconditionally. Once you started having sex and started conceiving, you should have feel that unconditional love. You don't even have that inside of you because you told yourself like you cannot carry another boy because if another boy come and him come with the bottom and stuff, you're going to eat the picnic. How dare you? And God bless woman like Uno. Like you. I baby me sorry for. But I like when I have baby can come out and you can never come back up. I'm done with you for now. What's next, my sister? I mean if you come go outside now, I need a spliff. Oh yeah, cheese. Me smoke ganja just like you, but me not have to beg nobody for it. I'm nobody not fuck me for the $40 back and so buy weed. Cause $40 can't even buy my weed. Cannot. So cheese, oh dare you, like seriously. That's what I said. I'm not arguing with cheese, guys. Don't be mad at me. I'm not arguing. I'm talking to the lady. I'm trying to teach her priorities. I'm not arguing. You fuck for your spliff, not even a 3.5. You fuck for your spliff. You fuck for take care of your son. Take good and we can give him a couple pair of shoes because you know we got it like that. Brand new pair.
Thank you so much for staying with us for
Alright, my people, so we over. Shibada, you know. We are going to hear Rosealee trip to Panama, you know what I mean? We are going to hear the flight and everything. Seeing because Shibada say have somebody at the airport will tell her, we tell him, you know what I mean? The what go on with Rosealee, see? So make we get in with my people and also him have other people at chat Dan and somebody else. So make we get in it.
My friend at airport said when the plane take off with Rosealee, everybody know how plane take off. My friend said she watched the plane on the runway because she work out there. She said she wants to see if Rosealee go up in the air for show. My friend said the plane up on the runway and it run and a wobble. I run and a wobble, it run south. She said when that time she didn't think it never take off, but she said the plane lift up. So she said at first time she work at airport, she said plane runs and shake and lift sideways. She said I saw the plane lift off. She said sideways the plane and fly. And I mean say so. The lady said the plane leap and Rosealee. Lord, Roger can't have him friend who work at hospital and sit up here. And I can't have my friend them at airport. If I see the lead plane, instead my friend said, she said every plane leap off straight. She said that plane where Rosealee leap off, it just a tilt, so it just a tilt and a rise. It just a tilt and she said sideways the plane rise. She said the plane climbs sideways. Able boss. I can't believe this. And I mean, say so not hold me accountable, man. Everybody just come and call my name. You not hold me accountable. And I mean, I'm a friend who work at airport. Yeah. I'm a friend who work at airport, says so. See that everybody across me upon this now. I have to say me for go away. I mean, I do not need the plane, my friend said. When you can't see the plane, she said, the plane, she noticed that the plane the on the runway, so it had lean on one side, but it had drive same way. It had taxi same way. She said when the plane speed up now, it start vibrate sideways, and she said just lift off, so she said I saw the plane lift off. She said she knows that the pilot them have it rough, cause them have to try balance it. I don't know if she does study pilot school. I don't know if she does study something in a piloting. Cause sometimes you work some place, you start study extra things, you know. Yeah. Somebody said the plane have epilepsy. I can't bother with no mix me for the child go cost me. I say when I see her there seatbelt, I think it's a front way parachute. I said to myself, say, Ratty, the Rosealee, I do bungee jumping. You know the bungee jumping? Rosealee, I do that. I walk the rope strong. And so I said to myself, and then my sister, I hear she attack something. And so I know say a seatbelt, but I think a front way parachute. See everybody else, you know, say me not do this. People that say me not come live, you know, because every time I tell the things them, when I always think something different. Because me just simple as say something to you know. If I come and tell you say, him friend say cool it up in a hospital Pandisha. Me come and tell you say my friend there at airport and she said the plane take off sideways. I've never seen that before in my life. Neither my friend. You understand me? So while the whole of the Pandis a class, me not going so. It's not me say so. I wasn't on the flight with Rosealee. Somebody said the plane gets seizure. You see? These are the things that we don't understand, you know. Yet the lady says sideways the plane climb. Say, can you imagine? I wonder how it lands. If it lands on earth, it lands on one wing. Why they never put a middle seat? I make Rosealee slung in the air with the flight attendant and then push the things. The plane with the balance. Them send me for move, you know what? Everything when me says a problem, and it's not me says my friend says a seaplane. Who not hold me accountable, it's my friend says so. My friend work at airport. My friend says just see the plane and take off. And it's sideways the plane climb. Who not going to let me out there, but come tell me somebody out there, how many knows the child I go away. That's why me not tell all the rest of it, you know. Then suppose me tell you say the people them at the front place to check in Rosealee say how far them see. Then say the whole of Rosealee do in our passport. And that my friend tell me we check in Rosealee. Me say oh the whole of them plan our passport, them say remember it's passport size picture, it's not like a family photo. And based on our size, it's not all a share got all on it. Me never tell you that. Me never come tell you that. I could have tell you no.
Alright, my people. What to tell me what you think in the comment section. As I say, we don't chat too much in that one, so let me know what you think or what some more.
There's so much things me not tell you now. Them say Rosealee have to take off her slippers, somebody have to take it off. Because when she have got shoe, you know, take off her shoes, because when she have got shoe, Rosealee couldn't even bend down to take off her shoes, because them say shoes off. As somebody will work, they have to bend down and take off Rosealee's shoes. And lucky thing she never have slippers in her bag. Me not come tell you them something there. See that somebody say them ears to the plane have to pull over. I don't know if I up in the ear the plane have to pull over which park. And my friend not tell me that. Everybody knows the plane fly with body weight. Enough things my friend tell me, I don't tell you no. I don't come and mention one word. When I always think, you see, You see, Uno? I know I shouldn't like Uno from morning, you know. I know I shouldn't like Uno from morning. But if it flies sideways, you know, have to pull over when you reach at a point. Look here, you don't go like people are idiot, but you know, I don't want this one later. I don't want this one because when I get pant up on my head now. Because me come here, so door. Me just simple come here, so you understand me? I'm say to them, say, I have a friend that work at the airport. I said, I have a friend that work at the airport. I said, my friend tell me, say, when Rosalie was on the flight, she said she stopped wiping the floor and she started to catch. She happy for Rosalie, but she realized the plane a shape when you hit a taxi down the runway. And she said, when time the plane a taxi, so it start vibrate fast. And she said the plane lift off in a rush and turn sideways. So the plane lift off sideways. She said she swear the plane never turn as it lift. She said, no, the plane just a climb and go. Just a climb and go. Sideways. Everybody turned sideways in it because of she. And then somebody said the plane have to pull over when you reach certain parts. Yeah. Fear is fear. Fear is fear. I never say nothing bad. I only really look at me and I go like I mean say something. Yeah. I'm happy for the child. But oh, she come back home now. Sideways again. That means that Rosalie go sit down and lean pan live. If him run the cocky, I say me in my bed, I'm just afraid over my man. I should send my man to Shamar, you know. Because I know Shamar will spare the rather and spoil the child. It weighed me down for the whole of last night when me things say I just the politics so that get me down. When I remember how me send my man, me can't rub butter, puss mouth, you say, me. Nobody not too sorry for me, you know. Take up my good man. My good man. My what? Good man. Take him, send him away. Little bit of New Year. So me I wonder for Panama Rosalie gone. She be a done vote, everybody fret over my finger. See them here? See them here? Yeah, for push up in my nose hole and clean up my passageway. I know say me I go to the family reunion, me I got apple fish fry. Oh, me I got apple fish fry, but we got confused, but I don't know who for side for go pan triple ivany. Somebody help me work out the math.
Lie. You
can't pull up my ear and wash it. Me say other day me have to pick out rose out of my ear. Yeah, Lily.
When you done?
You got that. Come people, who for side me for go pan vanilla triple. Come. Any side you say me I go pan and that me I go pan. Me say 3 vanilla already. No man on the ear triple over here so. No, me I ask you now, for true now. Who for side me for go pan? Triple up, then I won't even so much people like Bunny. Me now go pan Ivany side and when I come back my mouth would I think like Ivany all. Why ya man? But you know me I go pan Vany side. You see when I stay though, when I don't give people a fair chance. So me not get no triple over here, so. Triban. No man. My must can't get 1 triple. No triple. No triple. Oh God. Hey, Miss Triple must eat apicana and I don't blame the woman for eat apicana. When is a set a hypocrite, dirty drunk, when is a set a hypocrite. When I eat the woman for. When I eat the woman for Miss Triple must can't get 1 over here, so. Good God, man. Fear is fear. The whole over here, so just as. You know, I feel hurt, I feel away in myself. I'm in class, the whole of you know. fair is fair. When a must can give the lady one. I mean, ball, you know. See, Jody B said Vanny too bright, but you still not pick a side. Then Jody have up Miss Triple low key. He said them something happened to me, you know. Look for the whole of the wicked people, them. I said Vanny, 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 Vanny. And not one person I said Triple. She trouble when no trouble are. Who trouble, who no trouble, what, who, where, when, why? Who no trouble, what? Who first do the trouble, man?
So my people want to tell me how to think that event they are going to go because Miss Triple are going to do it and Ivany are going to do it. I mean here Ivany says something about stepping to Miss Triple when she see her there. So you tell me in the comment section if you don't feel like nothing I go go. I mean I feel like Miss Triple are going to try fit in and nothing with Ivany because Miss Triple is a classy woman. Ivany coward, so I don't feel like Ivany are going to want to step to Miss Triple. So all in all, them just have to look for each other away. You know what I mean? So, let me know what I think, my people. I go watch some more.
Who first to the trouble, man? I ban it first. If I ban it first, I don't hold on. Because I noticed that Miss Triple really got all out, you know. I noticed that Miss Triple really got all out and not cost real bad. Then Miss Triple come out her character. When I met the lady come out her character, Miss say, oh God, Miss Triple make her laugh. Miss Triple just hang up the live up and ticky. Miss say I laugh till I cry. Cause Miss Triple can't bother. Miss Triple oh they do. They come here ticky. It's how you get black so quick, it's who feed you over there. But let me tell you something. When I some set of dirty, nasty, stinking germs bag. When I some set of dog shit. And when I say dog shit, I mean dog shit. I mean man for just all sooner and wipe off them foot in the hole. Then I ask, look at it. I don't respect a girl who take a man only for come back, come this and say, if he out. It's a certain argument you believe. Let me just go deeper for you. It's if me did deal with a boy or a boy and me did inner things.
Power off.
Right? I'm a simp on the internet a profile. It's only people who didn't know say me and him they can only come tap, but me not have nothing to say about that youth there. It have got hurt me in a silence. That was my choice. That was my choice. That's my history operating in the futurism of my vision. That is my choice. That was my choice. Me I go swing low key. It better me get your number and terrorize you undercover. It better, if I have to go to the extreme, it better me terrorize you undercover. Not open ear. Certain things you don't do to people. When she come back, me say, you know, say I true, me never want to pay Ivany in the mind from the get-go, from the figure it out and diamond part. Me know say Ivany first, Ivany just come out and start talk, nice and cute and smooth. Me say, you see this? It a go ricochet in a something else. And that me say to myself, you know, and that me say to myself, me sorry me never open my stinking mouth and say to somebody. Me say, just, it not gonna stay long. It's not going to stay long. It a go ricochet in a something else. Go for some money. Me have money out here, son? No, me have not change out here, son. Big on one track and now. No, I think I need a book again.
That way everyone will come in seat and go sit down.
One in town here? Lord, leave a right down one. The box said one into mommy here, one into mommy. When she bust it up on the boy now here and now, yeah, everybody knows that only about him and it shouldn't be a disgrace and one of females. Ivany have nothing for disclose on the boy because number one, we don't know if the boy about him and for true or lie. We only can take what people say. I years do not call me, so if my man then never gone to prison, only that have proof. Yeah. And you know what funny? You know what funny? You see, as much as how she attack class, the boy not call the boy batty man. Not for only girl in the comment section that suck him out. Not for only that suck off Ivany is trying to many batty story half and cocky. Not for only. A lot of you guys, a lot of you females out there, only that beat. I wanna sit down and take everything from them girl here. When I have no dignity, decorum, them not have no personality, them not have nothing at all in her life. Wanna sit down and take it from them girls. Ivany is troubled. Ivany go like she not trouble people and we not now go and pay her, she trouble everybody. She just go down the line, so she just go down the line, it's her pattern. When things are going fair, she fully focused like rosealee. And when nothing are going fair, yeah, make we talk about she now, make we talk about she. After me not care, make we talk Ivany lips spoil over and over. Ivany lips spoil like her old.
Bomba crispy. One Switzerland. How we from Italy who import chef? What you call this dish now, bro?
This one is the Frogger logo.
Frogger
Me feel really happy, and you know we've been really supportive to one another pretty much. So yeah. And
so are you going to come to Jamaica and look for her?
absolutely, yeah. Me and her just have to discuss some things, but right now my priority is focusing on my brother since he's in critical condition, and then we'll talk. And then I told her, we'll talk about everything else after that, pretty much. So yeah.
So did you know that she's my mother?
I didn't know that. That's really cool. Yeah, Annie is very incredible and awesome and is very beautiful, and I'm glad that I have her. So yeah.
Let's make sure you make her happy, okay?
Oh, I will. Don't worry about that. I'm a very nice person, and I'll make her happy for sure. So
you eat front?
What?
You eat front?
What? Sorry, what?
You eat front?
Eat front? What?
Like pum pum.
Hey, my people, enough persons from Jamaica, when them live in Jamaica, certain things them would have never do, them skin up them face on certain things, and once them go foreign, them try every last thing. You see me I say? So never you make a person opinion make you live your life a certain type of way. Live your life how you want to live it. As long as you're in the confine of the law of the land and the law of the universe, you're good. You see me I say? So make me know what to think about them and eat frog. Because if them never got foreign, them would have never tried that. You see me I say? At least me don't know if them eat it still, but me see it say them did a look about it. Make me know what I think, my people. Alright, watch out. Here the lion man, you know, I ask the youth here, see if him name crutches. You have to ask him man if him ever have a woman yet. You see me I say, before you ask him if him ever name crutches. Because him go and never have SE extra in him born yet. You see me I say, but make me know what I think, my people. We are move on and we are going to go over to Annie daughter. We are watch some more of this with the lion man and the youth here. Then we are going to go over Annie daughter Mika. You know what I mean? She talk about people, you know what I mean, having them opinion on her and what type of person she's and you know what I mean, if she pass off and like, you know what I mean, all of the things that are going on with her family and thing, I get to her. So I could hear what she have to say about people.
I mean, I like to eat, like, you know, chicken, if that's what you're talking about, but...
You don't eat vagina? No.
Annie's been making...
But bro, but the person in real life who know me, who see me, and talk to me, brother, who don't know real me, who don't know who me be. So when me dead, me no want nobody off a TikTok for come and talk about say, oh, you know me and this and that. You never know me, bro. You know me on the app. You don't know me in a real life. One of the people in a real life is sit down and talk about me, bro. Sit down and talk about me when me dead. I me no want my mother ball. I no want she ball. So me get up this point and me thank God say me have like if me never have life, me would gone a long time. But I don't understand because me now come out and come say me and bash this and that. That alone is no good for them. You see why the views they don't know is because I'm not bashing nobody. Me not in a mix up. Me not in a mix up today. You see this page? No, Mika, don't say nothing right. But anyways, through me not in a mix up my views now up now and me not worry about that. People will pass through and support the live. If I want 2 rows, me thank God for it, they never have to send me it. That alone me I say before me even start. Support is the key. And me thank God. Enough people understand what me I go through, brother. Enough people. Bro, did I come on the live with drama? Did you see my live to 12K? No, you don't see me live to 12K. They are 200 odd. So why you talk about drama, miss? Me say nothing about nobody. I'm thanking God for having life right now. You're too mix up, man. You're too mix up. That is it. Me thanks me people them for you look at blessings them are sure. They never have to send me nothing and me thank God for them. So why you want my big stinking mouth to talk about? Miss go on to the year. You see me tell people them say me no mix up. Mix up is not for me today. Anybody join me and mix up, me tell them so me not unite today. Why the views not up is because you don't want to mix up, bro. And I'm not giving on that. Me not going to mix up. Me not mix up people. You know how much people break away because I mix up, bro. You know how much people lose it because of TikTok. You don't know that, you know? TikTok is like a drugs, bro. When people see the money will come in and I feed off it, bro, it turn people to start do certain things. I don't know it too. They say it themselves. They say it thanks to the rose. They say it themselves for true. Nothing lie. TikTok is a drug. I mean, now both are addicted to it. No, not gonna make me break away. You know how much people are bash me. Bro, I mean, I do them nothing. Guys, thanks to the rose. I do them nothing and people are disrespect me in a certain way, bro. People want me go around. That's why I'm telling you, I'm not go around no more TikTokers, you know, brother. People want me go around and be my real self. Then disrespect me, brother. Yeah, boy, you play, man. Yeah, me a play a match. Man, me a play a match, man. Just I talk to people them. Hush, can. Hush, can. Yeah, man. But we know it's something named karma. When karma come around, no one is there to help you. And I can't wait till you meet a match. The whole I know the palm my name, I can't wait to no meet to no match. I not lap on my mouth and I not stress because one life me have to live. I just pray to God every night and day and tell God my problems, and God just say, yo, look into your file and say you're a wicked person. Yeah, get what you have to get. Not even God have to give you, brother. So now, what me if you do? Just be cool, hardcore. Let's say me start distance myself from people. At that time I have problem, you know. It starts to me selfish and
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more and then we're going to end it.
mean and innocent name. I'm not selfish, I mean, no. It's just because it hurt me in so many ways that you don't see it and it affect me and it not affect you because you choose to say what you want to say, bro. I don't do that, bro. Tired of this. I want to put words when I say on this app. Or me, I not run off fight. I make none of feel like I'm better than me, brother. All of we are human being. We just have different personality. That is it. Different body. Man and woman, different body. No, after this. When I have to take my phone, and me buy my phone, I have to take it. When I have to come take my phone, bro. I go play a match now. Go try play a match with somebody now, chat. How would this? Take the phone. Said you have to worship right, Lord of your prayer. We can't play a match with now. Rob. Hi, good morning, Strawberry. Morning, Strawberry.